Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And somebody was trying to explain something, and I did have two people comment, and I used the virtual segment delete key all the way around. And this is my mathematical guru, and he's trying to throw me for a loop, but he sent me a file, and he's drawing a 7-sided star. And I think he's trying to throw me off, because it makes it a little bit harder. So let's go to effects. And what we're going to do is we're going to have less contours or less virtual segment delete keys to delete. And for the one I'm doing the video for, you said you couldn't open your contour docker. Well, it was already, when I sent it to you, it was already open. So if it's setting over here, all you have to do is hit it and it'll open. And then take the ellipse from the center and hold down the control button and go to about right there and then contour it. And the main thing you've got to do is break it apart, because if you don't, the contour won't. And what he was trying to explain to me, and it makes perfect sense, that I don't need to cut all the lines. I only need to cut one section of it. And then let's use the Smart Fill tool, and we'll fill that in with black. We'll use the other color in red. And that's all you need to Smart Fill. While that's selected, hold down the Shift key and select the black, Control G and group it, and then Control D to duplicate it, and then move your center of the rotation to the center. But 7 doesn't divide into 360 very good, so let's get out the calculator. 360 divided by 7 is that number. Well, here, I showed this a couple weeks ago in a video. You can cut and paste those numbers, or copy and paste that number into there. The only problem is you have to do it again, because Corel's not going to let you duplicate it again. So you can hit the plus sign and just paste it in there again and hit enter, and now you can go all the way around. So it does save some steps. You've got the circle going in and out, and it was a minimal amount of cutting with the virtual segment delete key, and a lot easier to rotate. So I thank him for that, and pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you.